on my new 100-mile engine. What is it? Wrist pin. Somebody did wrong with the crank, cam. I disconnected all the spark plugs and they didn't make a difference one at a time. So I'm hoping it's not a wrist pin. I'm going to put the camera under the car here.